Martinsburg Public Library. Today I'm going to be showing everyone the Observing Pollinators kit. This is a free kit you can pick up at the library. Let's take a look inside. First, we have our binoculars, our stopwatch, our Observing Pollinators pocket guide, our direction sheet, a sheet to record all of your information and data, and lastly we have our seeds. We also have the Bees in Your Backyard book that you can check out at every local library for more information on pollen.
Before we begin, make sure to take a look in your Observing Pollinators guide to make sure you have all the necessary tools. Bring your kit with you outside and find a good spot to observe flowering plants. Start by recording the data and your location on the datasheet. Choose a flowering plant to watch and note what type of plant it is. Decide how many flowers you are going to observe and record the number. You can use the binoculars to observe pollinators at a distance. To adjust your binoculars, take a look at your Observing Pollinators guide. Once you are settled, note the time or set a timer for 5 minutes. Record the number of visits by each type of pollinator. If a pollinator goes away and comes right back, count it twice or as many times as needed. If possible, record the type of pollinator. You can be as specific as you want, but please be specific only if you are certain. Use the datasheet to record the rest of your observations.
Visit scieStarter.org/library-kits to create an account. From there, follow the directions and see how you can submit your data. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!